In the equity quadrant today, taking a look at the December Dow Jones Industrial Futures. Dow rebounded for the fifth session in the last six, but still down on the week. As we look at the way the numbers played out today, we actually were only down about 2 basis points on the lows today at 34,168, finishing the day up a little bit more than 0.5% at about 34,404. The high, 34,413. That was up 70 basis points, or just short of 0.75%. We are still having a down week in the Dow, down almost 1% despite those moves back that I mentioned, 5 of the last 6 sessions. The Dow is still below last week's close. So overall, it's still looking like a very weak Dow Jones picture when you look at it on a macro level. Now, yields fell early this morning and then actually moved near unchanged midday. And on the long end, they finished higher. We actually had the 10, the 20, and the 30-year finish up 2, 3, and 3 basis points on their yield after opening lower. The 10-year was actually 4 basis points lower from yesterday's settlement, but none of this really affected the Dow being the leader all day long, because that's what it was. It wasn't a high volume session. It wasn't a huge move up. And as I mentioned already, it didn't really turn the overall mood for the Dow, but we did end up with a positive day. Now, the sector strength played out in the Dow's favor as well. Utilities were up 1.3%. Consumer staples up a little bit less than a little bit more than 0.2%, more than 0.75%, actually, almost 0.9%. And healthcare up a little bit more than 0.75%. All of that helped the Dow be the outperformer today.